Hey, what's up guys? Trendspot here. These are moments that will leave you shook. I don't know why anyone would be willing to explore a cave with this many bugs. This is a no for me.
Oh my gosh.
This is me when I say I am only bringing the essentials.
That's not even camping. I mean, come on.
He set this up and still managed to scare himself. Wait for it. Drake's house flooded. What's he trying to do with the broom? Sweep away the flood? Well, this is a new way to open a can. Those tiny towels won't stop an entire river from getting in your house, but I'm impressed the windows are holding up to this.
Oh my gosh!
That's already like 4 feet down.
Wait, okay.
Wow.
Hey!
How you doing? That's
I don't know what I enjoy more, how he removes the water balloons or the infusion of colors, but he didn't have to break it at the end. This is something you never want to hear when wearing face paint.
It's not coming off. What do you mean it's not coming off?
She bought a Lego plant because her cat ate her real one, but now she has this problem. This is crazy. I don't know if I would reverse for someone I don't know. She showed her dog a video of the pup barking, and this was its response.
Leave it.
Subscribe and click the bell for amazing luck for the next week. You can tell this is not the orangutan's first time doing this.
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
I was not prepared for this. I actually thought it was a huge fish at first. This kitten is me whenever someone tries to wake me up before I am ready. Act like a walrus, and he nailed this. I am no electrician, but I don't think this was supposed to happen. Well, this is one way to keep the bow straight while playing the violin. People always claim that cats don't show much affection, but then what would you call this? I can't tell if this is a punishment or if the pup enjoys this. I was not prepared for this intense eye contact. He trained his dog to close the door on his sister, and it's too funny.
Bro, close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Good boy.
She went into the dressing room, but it was not long before she found out she wasn't alone. This frog is clearly not happy that the fish are eating its raft. He told his son that they were pranking someone, but what he doesn't know is that this is just the ice vending machine room. This is the literal definition of being lost in the sauce. Falling asleep to cows mooing is one of the stranger sounds to find relaxing, but I kind of get it. They took this huge inflatable car to the beach, and I bet this would be so much fun to ride around in. They pulled over so the emergency vehicles could pass, but then this happened. The way he said okay and just accepted it is too good.
Okay.
You can tell both of them are trying so hard to stay calm and not freak out.
Simon, can you tell the camera what just happened?
I was turning and the paint fell.
They seem to be in quite a pickle, but I need to know how they got here in the first place. Fire department was taking too long? This guy took matters into his own hands.
Look at him go.
Oh my god, that's a brain.
Goalie reflexes are something that never leaves a person. Wait for it. Her grandparents invited everyone over, and when she was the only one that showed up, she went home with all the leftovers. Honestly, this went way better than I expected, and 10 out of 10 camera work.
Oh my god!
They should have taken 10 hours, but somehow they managed to get this in 10 minutes. Of all the possible reactions, falling into the water has to be the worst. My stomach is turning just watching this, but he's walking up backwards like this is nothing. The trainer here pulled out a plushie to show Shamu, and this is proof of just how intelligent these animals are. Amazing. He was dared to feed the animals like this, and I am shocked he actually went through with this. For his dogs, the fence is merely just a suggestion. I can't tell if this bird is broken or just really happy. This looks like a scene right out of a movie. You can tell both of these young animals are nervous but just want to play with one another. These people were complaining about the splashing at the pool, so this is what he did every time he got into the pool. They're really happy about him making it at the 17th hole, especially that one guy. Every time she puts a hat on her dog, the pup does this, and it's too funny. I thought this was snow at first, but wait. He told his mom this was an AirPod, but she doesn't know it's actually a cashew.
Hello? Hello, sister? 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 Ranzy, what's wrong with you?
Sometimes her cat wants to battle, but then remembers it only has 3 legs. This dog is more self-controlled than any dog I've ever seen. I'm impressed.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Imagine being out on the road and seeing this. When his first plan didn't work, they had to go with the second option. This brings a new meaning to "see you later, Gator." If this is only 2 months in, I want to know what 1 year will look like. I wanted so badly for this to work. Don't worry, this is just a filter, but it still made my stomach drop. Is he training for the Mario Kart Grand Finale? I need answers. If you like the view above the water, wait until you see what is below. This is all of us when we accidentally open the front camera. This makes me want s'mores. These marshmallows look so good. This was so close to working. No matter the weather or obstacles, nothing will stop delivery drivers from getting where they need to be. This sunset looks so pretty, but almost too good to be real. If you love cats, this would be heaven. To be fair, this is a loaded question.
Excuse me? What's your favorite flavor here?
These birds saw this plane taking off and took this on as a challenge. Whoever's on the other end of this probably thinks she has a lot to say. To break in his new glove, he created his own mallet and he is so pleased with himself.
Well, we didn't have a mallet, so I found this metal pole, I cut it in half, then I got this ball and we got duct tape, so I put it all around and it actually is very solid.
Based on his reaction, I wasn't sure if he was happy to see his brother or if a battle was about to break out.
What's up, homeboy? That's good, bro.
The fact that not all the pieces made it into the slot below is highly troubling. I feel like everyone can relate to this. I do the same right after I stub my toe. This little guy randomly joined their game, but at least he saved it. Usually this husband and wife prank each other, but now they go for the other family members. Who's cleaning all this up? I feel like I would rest so peacefully here. When dogs sniff the same spot for 10 minutes, I wonder what they are picking up on. Slowing down something like this makes something boring suddenly fascinating. Someone give her a raise. This is brilliant. People at school may think he's silly, but he's probably happier than all of them combined. I've never seen a cloud like this before in my life. This must mean a storm is coming. Her phone got stolen by a bird, but I'm glad she was able to recover it after all this. Usually I dislike when people take up 2 parking spots, but it's impossible to be mad about this. Honestly, his noises are spot on. He works with what he has. This guy is a professional who works with chocolate, and here he is recreating things from Minecraft. This is amazing. His car's horn is broken, so this is what he has to do instead. She offered her son $75 to knock it out of the park, but here she is regretting making that offer.
Oh, please say it's in the park.
The poor cat just wanted some water, but I don't think it understands how the faucet works. These grandkids surprised their grandparents with a sleepover, and it's amazing how all 15 of them came out for this. You just know, the grandparents loved this. Would someone ever do this? I don't want to think about all the bugs and things living in that mud. real or slime? Watch closely and let me know how many you get right. Jumping over 6 feet tall when she is only 5'6" is crazy. It's amazing how a creature this small can take over and control the house. That bed no longer belongs to the pup. I think his robot vacuum needs an update. That is a lot of missed kibble. I don't think I could be this calm with a centipede crawling over me.
One of the craziest looking centipedes that I think exists on Earth.
This stingray is too cute. I love its little jumps out of the water to say hello. They made a coaster at this park, and this is honestly kind of smart. He brought his TV remote while driving and now is turning everyone's TV off. No way this works. If you like working out, this gym is probably a dream come true. This would be so cool to witness, but at the same time, I know how chaotic dolphins can be. The perfect timing here gave this BMW a free car wash. I did not know that people casually ran into bald eagles like this.
Are you? Let me go past you. Okay? Let me walk past you.
I think these frogs are onto something. This actually is starting to sound like music.
Show yourselves.
Someone needs to get these bears into a water aerobics class. Look at how much fun them and the little ones are having. This camel escaped and looks so happy to be free, but I don't know if I should be concerned. Her dad found out he is an electrician and he got put to work right away. Ordering a car from a vending machine seems like such a cool experience. Wherever this ball ends up, someone is going to have questions. Well, technically, this is a cat.
Good kid. Good kid. I'm gonna eat you.
I was not prepared for this ending. Will it take him over or under 3 bites to eat this? Lock in your guess now.
1. 2. If I can one bite this, I will be the best over-under artist of all time. That might have been the closest line I've ever set. Under win.
Honestly, I expect nothing less from a Cybertruck owner. Okay, but how does the kitty get out of this situation? When she asks her dad for help, he will do the most random side quest before actually doing what she asked. When she does this to her bird, it will say a random word. This is too funny.
Hi. Hi. What words it gonna be this time? Good morning. Good morning.
He was checking out this virtual tour, and this closet setup is so random. I have so many questions. He was drinking this iced tea, and, what is that?
This is getting left right here.
He wanted to test out the lawnmower for the first time, and he has quickly picked up how to drift. I love point of views like this because now I can experience it without actually doing it. I feel like this groundhog senses it is being watched. Dog was begging for bedtime, but I think the pup wants the door to stay open.
Go to bed. Come on. Go to bed. Go to bed. And he turns to a cycle now.
I love how this casually fixed his problem.
One of my lights ain't working. Oh. Mechanic.
As soon as I saw this, I knew what was coming. This guy's room randomly flooded. I would be so mad. If you made it this far, you get a cookie. Tap a video on screen and I will see you there.